Hey everyone, I'm back with part 2 of the tropical bubble bath. This bubble bath is not only wonderful and produces tons of bubbles, but it's also festive and cheery with its loud colors that pop, and then add the tropical flowers on top and it's absolutely stunning and unique. I'm making one batch of bubble bath powder here, and then I'm going to take about 1/4 of it to make bubble bath chunks. Okay, so this is the same exact batch. I'm just going to take a little bit of it and mold it flat to make chunks with. In order to do that, the mix needs to hold its shape when squeezed. And you don't even necessarily have to do this step, but it is nice to have chunks just in case you wanted to make break layers in your bubble bath that has contrasting texture for added interest. But this is totally up to you. This is the extra bubble bath powder that wasn't molded and broken into chunks. I never know what I'm going to use when packaging my bubble bath, but I like to have elements out and ready in case I feel like using them. I also grabbed matching salts and candy sprinkles, both of which I used, and they both made a huge difference in the overall look of the bubble bath. For diagonally slanted layers, prop your jar up on one side. This is how I filled my jar, but this is your time to be creative and to do your own thing. But here are some quick tips. Make sure your colors are cohesive and harmonize well together. Accent layers like the decorative salt adds contrast in colors and lovely pops of color. Break layers like the bubble bath chunks or even coarse salt adds contrast and texture and adds interest. I was gonna put a few flowers randomly in the bubble bath, but the colors are already so festive. I tried putting the chunks in the middle of the jar, but it didn't really look right. Matter of fact, it took me 3 jars before I finally found a pattern that worked. Make sure the bubble bath is well packed before putting the top flowers on. This way layers will stay in place even if the jar is turned over. Last, add some beautiful tropical flowers. They finish the bubble bath off nicely, enhance the tropical vibe, and make the bubble bath unique and memorable. Then toss in some gold dragees for added splendor. I feel like these would make wonderful gifts. They're so pretty, I almost feel bad for using them. Almost. This bubble bath performed great, but I feel like the real magic was how beautiful it was. The theme, the colors, and the gorgeous flowers on top all came together, and it made it feel really special. I also used a tropical scent, which was Coconut Coast, and 2 flirty floral scents, which were Be Enchanted and Floral Muse, which made it even better, which I did not even think was possible. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in this project, you'll find helpful tips in the description and the supply list at the bottom. And if you're interested in more creative bath inspiration, you should subscribe. Don't miss out on weekly videos featuring fresh ideas and fun bath projects.